Donald Trump, $1 trillion in artificial intelligence. What does it all mean? Well, they just had a dinner at the White House where all of the CEOs of all of the major organizations, so the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, the CEOs of Google, their spouses, Sergey Brin, Bill Gates, you name it, they were there. And they all committed to the United States government that they were going to put $1 trillion worth of investment in infrastructure in the United States in return for a working relationship with the US government, which may be a good thing, may be a bad thing, right? I personally feel the more that big tech gets together with government is a bad thing, but that's just my own personal. What's really important here is that artificial intelligence is already at a scale that is almost unfathomable in the development. Come from a guy who can barely speak, okay? The point here is if you've been listening to AI voice and you heard it 6 months ago and you hear it today, you can't tell the difference. The podcasts that we're producing at listingpodcast.com, most people that hear them can't tell that it's AI voices talking back and forth to one another. Then, when you take a look at AI communication, we've had our ticketing system and our support system fully functioning on artificial intelligence, responding to all of our customer support for over a year. We have not had a single complaint in the last 6 months for somebody not getting the right response or not getting the right answer. If you look at your general consumer using a Google search or going to a tool like OpenAI and doing a search to find a result, the experience with an AI agent is so far greater than a regular search result, it's not even a comparable experience. And that means that your customers are going to move to searching on AI platforms rather than doing a Google search. And we have clients that are funding mortgage deals as a result of clients and customers finding them on AI. We're doing reverse mortgage deals, we're doing VA deals, we're doing jumbo deals, we're doing regular everyday deals. So if you want to get ranked on AI, there's 5 very basic things that you need to do. And one super complicated one, right? And to learn all 6, you go to loanofficerbrand.com. Go to loanofficerbrand.com. I'll teach you exactly how we're getting mortgage deals from Grok, OpenAI, and the front page of Google. And then what I'll show you how to do is invest in our services where we'll do it all for you. We only work with 2 clients per market, and to find out if your market is available, you can go to loanofficerbrand.com and then book an appointment on the thank you page after you see the video on how to grow your business using AI. $1 trillion, and the entire focus of the US government is coming to this technology. It is going to be unstoppable, and you need to get in front of this curve in your business right now. loanofficerbrand.com. I'll see you on the other side.